we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
In addition to Bryant, 41, and his daughter, 13, the crash claimed the lives of Peyton Chester, 13, Sarah Chester, 45, Alyssa Altobelli, 14, Carrie Altobelli, 46, John Altobelli, 56, Christina Mauser, 38, and the helicopter's pilot, Era Zobayan, 50.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.